Okay, so this right here went bad. There's a diaphragm right here. That diaphragm cracked. Fuel leaked through it. It thinned out the oil. That was half the problem. The other half of the problem, well, it had that on there. Anyway, the Solex carburetor is not the worst thing in the world, but it seems like a 50-50 shot whether it's going to get a good or bad one. But anyway, we'll put the factory back on there. Spark plugs, every one of them that were on this Jeep had no spark or either barely a spark at all. The owner bought these, which are really cool. It's like a spark plug sealed kit. You put a standard spark plug inside here, and it's supposed to seal it so you can run the M38 style plug wires, which is really cool. But every spark plug that was in this Jeep, none of them, this is it right here, none of these sparks at all, hardly, or either nothing, just barely, you know. So that's pretty odd. But that thin oil, as you can see, there's really not much smoke or anything at idle, but that thin oil, it runs so well. But it's led to this situation here, and I'm thinking it's the springs. I'm hoping that just by changing the oil, I'm letting the battery charge for a short period. I don't really want to drive it with that oil in there, but I'm gonna let it run for just a second here to charge that battery, so we can be ready to go when I put some fresh oil in there. Make it get back on the road. But if he wants me to, I'll do what I did to that MD over there, back behind all the other stuff, and put all new rings in it, and on the cylinders, all that good stuff. Put a copper head gasket. The way to go when you get these head gaskets, get a copper one. When you get these composite material, the copper ones are much better from what I've seen. Anyway, that's pretty much where I'm at on this A1. I think it's a pretty Jeep. I think it's definitely going to come back to life just fine. I think the owner's going to be real happy with it. Actually, I forgot to mention this too. When I first cranked it, after putting those spark plugs I got in there just for the temporary, the distributor was way out of timing. I thought it was, the points were bad at first, but the distributor was turned way out of timing, so it was off time pretty bad, running rough and misfiring. I think it was advanced extreme, so what I did is I just adjusted it back over a little bit and things started running pretty. So sometimes it's like that. Sometimes these Jeeps need just a little love and little tinkering here and there, and they're back to going again. So that's what's cool about them. Real simple. All right, until next time.